Hello and welcome to the Ministry of Miracles. I'm Arif Gilany, author, speaker, and the founder of the Morgan Gilany Group, experts in business and career development. I wanted to go through this presentation on January 4th because of urgency of the matter of timing. There are educational programs, opportunities, and resources available for most Canadian businesses and individuals before the month of January. As you know, the tax season is upon us. The government of Canada will be extending its arm into your pocket, and we have resources that will help you recover some of your money as we are a subject ourselves. The Morgan Gilany Group was developed in 2023 to bring resources to businesses just like mine, to bridge the gap between businesses and resources to the businesses that are scalable, sustainable, and impactful in our communities. It was born out of the idea of looking for the subject matter experts that would help us expand our business. So we had an eagle view of the financial crisis Canadians are facing and globally we all are facing, and the opportunities that are available right now. We detected a unique problem. We have found solutions and the financial resources to help anyone who is willing to help themselves. Resources and opportunities in government partnerships, Government of Canada, Government of Ontario, even the City of Toronto. Community partnership and entrepreneurship opportunities are available as a result of our research. We also help communication and team building skills. We will help you develop those if you need them, and also training programs to help you make this the most impactful year in business for yourself and your family. What is it? What's in it for you? Well, you get all of the resources that you and I need under one roof. And if you have a lever long enough and a place to stand on, you could move the world. That's not my words, but the words of Archimedes, who said, "Give me a lever long enough and a place to stand on, and I could move the entire earth." So we're being that lever for you. We're putting all our resources on your side of the equation to help you proceed with helping yourself making your dreams a reality. Now, the resources and leadership development programs that are available are in few different areas. Number one, in the education sector, we have a specialist that will help you get grants and loans from the government of Canada to help you upgrade your education. We also have financial services experts who will help you in any area, including getting out of debt, consolidating all your payments, and having simplified programs and plans by experts who are financially independent. George Caddy not only has been in the banking industry for over 25 years, but also is financially independent. He's a consultant. He works in his own time, and we have acquired all of the experts, like government experts and business development experts, like Raj Mathur, who spent 10 years in the government of Canada and then 20 years as a consultants. So the average age of all of our consultants probably between 50 to 75, which is the ripe, mature age to give anybody else an advice. Now, this advice comes through to you internet mostly. The internet, the artificial intelligence, and how to use technology to create additional sources of income are available to you. Educational resources, grants, student loans, and business support is available. Communication skills like teaching you how to public speak, build a team, and network with others is also available. Our leadership training program include a complete guide to leadership and leadership in crises, and also business and financial literacy, which is really the foundation of all that is possible in the future. We need to learn more about money. We need to talk to our kids about money. We need to be honest with ourselves and in our future and our family. So the opportunities for mergers and franchise opportunities that we have for 2024 are no like other. If you have ever gone to the franchise show, I would recommend you take a look at our business model and see what you think. Not only we have a very lucrative compensation, we also have residual income opportunities. We have a clear action plan, which is the most important thing really in having any franchise opportunity, and highly in demand products and services, and also training, coaching, and accountability, all available to you through our systems of experts. Now, government programs and services that include are government assisted programs such as the Canada Apprenticeship Service Program, Canada Digital Adaptation Program. Canada Digital Adaptation Program is for businesses who make over $500,000 and want to adopt the technology and digitalize their business. They could qualify up to $250,000 in grants and loans over 10-year term. Very, very suitable conditions and terms. Women entrepreneurship loans are available. Women entrepreneurs, um, I'm asking and I am letting you know that there's help available by the government of Canada for women entrepreneurs. You can also contact with our general secretary, Ms. Shanta Prasad, who's an expert in women entrepreneurship and programs for women. Futurepreneurship for newcomers. If you have been here 3 to 5 years, you have a great idea like the Camel Care Canada that I started. You could qualify for the Futurepreneur Canada programs, small business funding, Export Canada, business development funding, export development, and summer jobs programs. And not only through the Morgan Gilany Group, we're building infrastructure, but we're using government money because Canada Summer Jobs allows you to hire students, two, three, or as many as you need based on the size of your organization, to be able to subsidize some of their payments through the government. Now, the private sector opportunities include mergers and partnerships with other companies and professionals, educational loans and grants for immigrants who want to upgrade their education, auto mechanic apprenticeship programs. If you are interested in becoming a mechanic or starting your own mechanic shop, or you're enthusiastic about cars, we have joined up with Automotive Training Center in Mississauga. As a matter of fact, our next session will be in Mississauga at the Automotive Training Center. Franchise opportunities in various fields. We also have financial literacy programs, small business consulting. If you have an idea that you wanted to put it in action, that you need a business plan or development of other needs, we can help you with that. We have import and border services, also opportunities. Those of you who are looking to import products into Canada, you don't know how to do about it. We have live events and promotions across the GTA in month of January, February, and March, and we also have public speaking engagements and entrepreneurship for immigrants. Again, bringing resources to you that will make an impact in your life and in business today and tomorrow. Some of the programs and products that we offer are right now the tax preparation program is very popular with a lot of people coming up to the tax season. We can get you licensed and also set up on the tax systems of Canada, Inuit system that will teach you how to file taxes, not only for yourself, but your friends and family. As a matter of fact, I believe every family needs a tax expert and in-house. Financial literacy programs also include wills and trust, education consultation, business development, and retail franchise opportunities. Every one of you who watches this, I wanted to let you know that we have also partnered up with non-humanitarian organization Nari Care, who helps support Yazidi Kurdish girls who were stolen by ISIS. 5% of all our income in 2024 will be going to the cause of helping these orphans get education and also opportunities in the future. It is now January 4th, and it's time to make a decision. It is time to call for an action, and I will make you an offer that you cannot resist. All you need to do is pick up your phone, send us a message, see if you qualify for any of our programs, because today is the beginning of the rest of your life, and today is the time to plan for the next 10 years of your life. If you stick with our program for 90 days, you will see miraculous results. I'm Arif. Arif Gilany, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, hearing from some of you, and some of you will be hearing from me via the phone and email. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you.